Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 12 how to edit your Instagram story on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on GRIDS, the application. Make sure you have already uploaded a story to Instagram. If you're not aware of how to do that, go to the previous tutorials where we actually show you how to update your story. Once we've done that, click on the circle on the left top corner and click on the three dots, click on story setting, and now we are able to save to archive, allow sharing, allow message replies from everyone, people you follow or off. I'll just choose everyone for the moment, and we can hide the story from specific people. Click on the X. You may be thinking, when he says edit the story, why am I not then able to change the contrast, add color, add a song, add a counter? Maybe they have not announced those features yet. Who knows? Maybe in the future they may work at the back end of the application to implement those features too. We just have to wait. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.